Welcome back to Classomania. In this video, we'll have a detailed discussion on the changes in chemistry syllabus by CBS. As we all know, they have reduced 30% syllabus. So it's a good news. So let's begin now. If you're watching this video for 11th standard, you can skip the video to the half. This is the syllabus for 12th chemistry. In the unit solid state, electrical and magnetic properties is not coming. Band theory of metals, conductors, semiconductors and insulator, N and P type semiconductors is not coming. In solutions chapter, everything is coming except for abnormal molecular mass and Van 't Hoff factor. In electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cells, corrosion, law of electrolysis, dry cell, electrolytic cell, galvanic cell is not coming. In chemical kinetics, concept of collision theory, activation energy and Arrhenius equation is not coming. In unit 5, surface chemistry, emulsion and entire topic catalysis is not coming. And unit 6, the entire unit has been deleted. In P block elements, preparation, properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid, industrial process of manufacture, oxides of nitrogen is not coming. Phosphorus, the entire topic phosphorus is not coming. In unit 8, D and F block, chemical reactivity of lanthanoids and entire topic actinoids is not coming. Preparation and properties of potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate has been deleted. In coordination compounds, structure and stereoisomerism has been deleted. Importance of coordination compound, which includes qualitative analysis, extraction of metals and biological system has been deleted. In unit 10, haloalkanes and haloarenes, uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoform, freons and DDT has been deleted. In alcohol, phenols and ethers, only uses of methanol and ethanol has been deleted. In unit 12, entire unit is coming, nothing has been deleted. In amines, diazonium salts, the preparation, chemical reaction and importance in synthetic organic chemistry is deleted. In biomolecules, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, importance of carbohydrates, vitamins, enzymes and hormones is deleted, but the structure of hormones is coming. Unit 15 and unit 16, that is polymer and chemistry in everyday life, the entire chapter has been deleted. That's all for 12th class. Now come to 11th chemistry syllabus. This is the entire syllabus. In first chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry, nature of matter, laws of chemical combination, Dalton's atomic theory, the concept of elements, atoms and molecule has been deleted. In second chapter, structure of atom, discovery of electron, proton and neutron, atomic number, isotopes and isobars, Thomson's model and its limitation, Rutherford's model and its limitation is not coming. In unit 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, the entire chapter is coming except for significance of classification, brief history of the development of periodic table is not coming. In unit 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure, nothing has been deleted, the entire unit is coming. In unit 5, states of matter, liquefaction of gases, critical temperature, kinetic energy and molecular speeds, liquid state and in liquid state, vapor pressure, viscosity and surface tension has been deleted. In chemical thermodynamics, heat capacity and specific heat capacity, criteria for equilibrium is not coming, otherwise entire unit is coming. In equilibrium, hydrolysis of salts and Henderson equation is not coming. In redox reactions, applications of redox reactions is not coming, otherwise entire unit is coming. In hydrogen, preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen is not coming. Hydrogen peroxide, preparation, reaction and structure and use is not coming. In S block elements, most of the topics are deleted. Preparation and properties of some important compounds, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide and sodium hydrogen carbonate. The biological importance of sodium and potassium, calcium oxide and calcium carbonate and their industrial uses. Biological importance of magnesium and calcium have been deleted. In P block elements, borax, boric acid, boron hydride, aluminium, its reaction with acid and alkalis and uses, carbon, uses of some important compounds, oxides, important compounds of silicon, few uses, silicon tetrachloride, silicons, silicates and zeolites and their uses have been deleted. In Unit 12, Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and technique, the methods of purification, qualitative and quantitative analysis have been deleted. In Unit 13, Hydrocarbons, free radical mechanism of halogenation, combustion and pyrolysis have been deleted. And Unit 14, Environmental Chemistry, the entire chapter is not coming. I hope